It's here. So the DJI NEO, for whatever reason, was not released in the US at the same time as other countries. It was slightly delayed. And they said early October is when mine would be here, and it is September 30th, and it just got here. So let's unbox this thing. First look at having the DJI NEO package. It's so tiny and cute. There it is for the first time. It's really light. What else is in here? We got a couple of extra props in the package. A screwdriver to switch out those extra props. A USB-C to USB-C charging cable. The drone itself, including the prop guards as well as the battery installed in it and the gimbal cover. Some paperwork, and at the time where Apple is no longer including stickers, it looks like DJI is. And then let's not forget the battery charging hub with 2 additional batteries. Now this charger is supposed to be the first one that will charge all 3 batteries at once, which to my knowledge is the first time that DJI has done that in their charging hub. So excited to check that out. First impressions are I really like the size of the drone. I wasn't sure how big it was going to be. In some of the comparison pictures that I saw, it didn't look like it was much smaller than the DJI Avata 2, but now that I'm holding it in my hand, it does seem quite a bit smaller than that. Let me grab mine to compare. Okay, Avata 2, DJI NEO. You can kind of see the footprint up against one another like this. You can see just the difference in size that there are there. Here's a deck of cards next to them, just so you can get a feel for kind of how big they are in real life. I'm stoked for this one to be the size that it is with the prop guards. I've been learning how to fly manual mode in FPV, and I'm looking forward to some indoor flight with this size of a drone this winter. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the instruction books here and just kind of check this out and just kind of see what there is to do and see if there's anything we need to know from the quick start guide. So it gives us a QR code that we can scan to get some tutorials on how to do things. It shows us how to remove the gimbal cover, charge to activate the intelligent flight battery before using the first time. Looks like this button here at the back is the power on and off. So it looks like on the battery, to remove the battery, you're gonna press the battery down, this button here, and then slide it backwards like that. Just throw this in the charging hub as well, since it looks like these will all charge at the same time with this new charging hub, which is great. There it is. It's the first time we're seeing all the batteries taking a charge at once. I've got it plugged in here on the top-down table and next to the drone here. So we're gonna let those charge, and then we're gonna see what this thing's like. I'm excited to check this thing out. I've got a few more videos coming on the DJI NEO. Follow for more on how to get the most out of your tech.